Recently, Thunderbird provided a comprehensive demonstration of its much-anticipated Thunderbird AR23S Pro smart AR glasses. This news quickly attracted attention among tech enthusiasts and in the smart wearables field. As more product details are unveiled, the unique advantages of these AR glasses are becoming increasingly clear. Today, let's delve into the Thunderbird AR23S Pro Smart AR glasses together and see what striking features they have. First, top optical configuration, visually stunning upgrade, excellent display technology, clear in both bright and dark environments. The Thunderbird AR23S Pro uses the Peacock Optical Engine 2.0 and 5th.5 generation micro OLED lenses, employing double-layer OLED technology originating from Apple's iPad Pro. The brightness reaches 1200 nits, with a contrast ratio as high as 200,000 to 1. This allows it to display clearly even and bright light environments and present deep blacks and rich dark details in dark environments, providing an ultimate visual experience at any time. Wide color gamut and high-resolution color display are both excellent, with 98% DCI-P3 color gamut covering 145% sRGB, capable of displaying 16,700,000 colors, supporting 5 adjustable color modes with accurate, rich, and vibrant color reproduction. At the same time, the maximum resolution can reach 4K, with a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. The image is clear and smooth, providing an excellent visual experience, whether watching high-definition movies or enjoying high-frame rate games. Eye protection technology enhances comfortable viewing. It uses 3840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming technology, supports DC dimming, and has passed TV NAMD eye protection certification, effectively alleviating eye fatigue and ensuring comfort even during prolonged wear. Giant screen visual experience, fully immersive. Using the birdbath optical solution, it can achieve a virtual giant screen with the equivalent of 135 inches at 4 meters and 235 inches at 8 meters, offering a stunning visual experience as if in a private cinema. Secondly, a high-quality audio system for immersive entertainment without disturbance. Unique audio architecture, pure and three-dimensional sound, equipped with symmetrical 4 speakers, featuring exclusive dual-unit back-to-back audio structure, supporting 12-level volume adjustment with an in-ear distance of less than 2.5 millimeters, providing pure sound. The newly added 3-dimensional surround sound system allows users to immerse themselves in 3-dimensional audio effects, enjoying an immersive entertainment experience. Second, the youth mode thoughtfully balances self and others. It supports the youth mode to enjoy immersive entertainment without disturbing others, allowing you to meet your own entertainment needs while considering the feelings of those around you. 3. Comfortable wearing design, adaptable to various face shapes. 1. Lightweight body with skin-friendly material, weighing only 76 grams, equipped with soft nose pads and skin-friendly temple design, making it lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods without feeling fatigued. 2. Multi-level adjustment function, adaptable to various positions, with 9 adjustable positions and 3 levels of vertical adjustment for the legs, can fit various face shapes and ensure a comfortable wearing experience in different positions, effortlessly handling any scenario. 4. Powerful expansion functions, easy control and multiple scenarios. 1. New Thunderbird Magic Box with dual convenience for entertainment screen mirroring, equipped with the newly upgraded Thunderbird Magic Box. 2. Supports mainstream video platforms and wireless screen mirroring, equipped with Fly Touch control system, featuring a 3.5-inch touchpad for easy control, enabling easy execution of various operations. 2. Expansion of usage scenarios for connecting console devices can be achieved via HDMI adapters to connect various console devices such as Switch, PS5, and so on. Expanding usage scenarios, whether for gaming or office work, it can deliver excellent performance. Overall, the Thunderbird AR23S Pro Smart AR glasses demonstrate strong competitiveness in the smart AR glasses market with their top-notch optical configuration, excellent audio system, comfortable wearing design, and powerful expansion features. Whether you are a tech enthusiast seeking the ultimate visual experience or a user needing a multifunctional smart wearable device, these AR glasses can meet your needs. In the increasingly competitive world of smart wearable devices, the Thunderbird AR23S Pro, with its comprehensive performance and user-friendly design, is likely to become the first choice for many consumers, offering users a new smart life experience.